half times 12.7.
Now, where's A and where's P? P is the parameter and A is an apothem, and both of them are unknown. So we have now to find the length of each side. That's helped me to find the parameter, and also we have to find the apothem A. We only have the length of this hypotenuse, which is 12.7. So if you look at this triangle here, the small one, we have S over 2, we have A, and we have 12.7. And he told me that this angle here is 30. So I need to find now A and S over 2.
It will be sine.
Let's use sine here. So sine 30 is A over 12.7. So sine 30 is A, the opposite, over the hypotenuse, which is 12.7. Then sine 30, it is half. Equal
Teacher, it is equal 6.35.
So after multiplying them, let's divide 12 by 2. It will be 6. 7 divided by 2, 35. So the apothem here, it will be 6.35. This will be now an apothem. So by now we found an apothem A, which is 6.35. Then I need to find S over 2. How can I find S over 2? By using the cosine. So cosine 30 is it 30? So I will say adjacent over hypotenuse. The adjacent here is S over 2. And the hypotenuse here is 12.7. And the cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2. So square root of 3 over 2 is equal to S over 2 over 12.7. Cosine 30 is square root of 3 over 2. Adjacent is S over 2, and the hypotenuse is 12.7. Then by cross product, 12.7 multiplied by square root of 3, it will be 12.7 square root of 3 equal S over 2 multiplied by 2. S. So S is 12.7 square root of 3. This will be now the length of the side S, 12.7 square root of 3. Is it clear now from where we bring A and S?
Yeah.
Yes. Now after that, I need to find the area. We said before that the area
is half times A times the apothem.
Half the apothem times the parameter. Now where's the apothem here? I found it. It is 6.35. Is it right?
Yeah.
And yes. I need now to find also the parameter. How can I find the parameter? By multiplying what by what?
The number of
S by 3.
And by S, yes. How many sides here we have? 3. And what is the dimension of each side?
It's 3.
And it's approximately 22. Approximately.
Yeah, it's 21.99.
12.7 square root of 3. Let's find in calculator here.
Can't we approximate it? Like say it's 22 and solve, or will it be wrong? Should I leave it at 12.7 square root of 3?
I write it as 22, yes, or 29.99. 22. So the parameter here, the side here, after I'm multiplying 12.7 by a square root of 3, it will be 22. Multiplied by 3, so the parameter here is 66.
Teacher, can I make it 12.7 plus 12.7?
Yes, you can
Square
use
root of 3?
the math, yes.
Okay.
Then here you have 33 multiplied by 6.35. You will get 209.55. This is
Teacher, I solved it using half BH, thinking that that is the median, and I got the same answer.
Oh yeah, teacher, this is a triangle. Can we use the...
wait, please. The base here is 22.
Yeah.
We didn't multiply it by 3.
No, I used half the base multiplied by the height. I found the height to be 19.05, the height of this triangle.
19.
Because if I say that
you said it's third of them. Yes. This is yes, it will be yes now. You can say now this is third, multiplied by 3. The height will be approximately 18 or 19, something like this.
It will be 19.05.
This is the height. You multiply it by the 22, which is the side, divided by 2. Yeah. Now, is it clear?
Teacher, how did you know that the height is 18 point something?
She said that, she tried, she multiplied, she said like this one is third, the apothem is third of the height. Okay, so if you multiply it by 3, you will get the height.
Yeah, okay.
Now let's see this one here. In this triangle here, he told me that the apothem is 10 square root of 3. We have this triangle here, and the given apothem is 12.3 square root of 3. Now in the previous one, he give me the hypotenuse. Here he only give me the apothem. I need to find now S. After I found S, I can multiply, find now the area of this shape. So the area now, as we said, it is half apothem times P. Half the apothem is given, which is 10 square root of 3. Then I need now to find the parameter. To find the parameter, as we said, I need S. So let's say now if this is A, this will be an hypotenuse. This will be an S over 2. And this will be an 12 square root of 3. And then, since it is a regular polygon, so that means all the sides are equal. Since all the sides are equal, so if it's here is 60, and it will be an equilateral triangle, so 60, 60, 60. Half of them will be 30. So now I wrote everything related to this triangle. I said now, this is 30, This is s over 2, and this is 10 square root of 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
So I need now
So
to
each side will be
s over 2. How can I find s over 2? The given one here for me is adjacent and the opposite. So I can use the tan. So I will say now, tan 30 is opposite 10 square root of 3 over s over 2. Now tan 30, it's a square root of 3 over 2. It's equal to 10 square root of 3 over s over 2. Let's multiply them now. 2 times 10 square root of 3, it will be 20 square root of 3 equal.
Teacher, tan 30 is square root of 3 over 3.
Sorry?
Tan 30 is square root of 3 over 3.
Or also, this is the cosine, 1 over square root of 3, you can say also, yeah. Thank you for reminding me. I wrote the cosine. Oh, where's it? Then square root of 3 multiplied by 10, sorry, square root of 3 multiplied by square root of 3, it will be 10 times 3. Is it right?
Yes.
Then equal s over 2. So 30 is s over 2. So what is the length of s?
60.
60, thank you.
Teacher, from where did you bring the 1 over square root of 3?
Miss, this is, you can find it from calculator, but I memorize it when I am at school.
Yeah, okay.
So s is now equal to 60. So this the length of this side here, it will be 60. So let's back now to find my area, half, apotheme, parameter. So I need to find now the parameter. From where I bring the parameter by multiplying n times s. So the parameter is n s. How many sides here for the triangle? They are 3.
3.
And what is the side, the length of each side?
60.
60. So the parameter here is 180. I will write it here. Then by simplifying, what's this? 90. So it will be 900 square root of 3. This will be now an area of the triangle. Is it clear?
Yes, but teacher, when I solved it to find the side, I didn't write s over 2, but I got the same answer.
You write as x, you mean? As an example? Yeah. Okay, x multiplies by 2, yes.
Teacher, in the question it says to round to the nearest tenth. So do I convert the square root to a decimal?
Yes, oh yeah. You can write like 900 square root of 3. Or you can say that square root of 3, this answer multiplied by 900, you will say, can say it's 1505 2.8. This one or this one. But because I'm solving without calculator, I wrote it as 900 square root of 3.
Yeah.
Now, do you have any question related for this one?
Yes, teacher, can you give me a
No, thank you.
no.